Urban survival isn't just about natural disasters or apocalyptic scenarios, it's about being ready for everyday emergencies that can escalate quickly. From navigating power outages to staying safe in high-crime areas, having a plan and the right skills can mean the difference between chaos and calm. In this video, we'll dive into essential survival strategies that will help you stay prepared and resilient in any urban environment. Maintain good physical fitness and learn basic self-defense techniques to protect yourself if needed. Basic first aid skills are crucial. Keep a first aid kit and know how to treat common injuries, like cuts and burns. The ability to stay calm under stress is vital. Practice mindfulness techniques or breathing exercises to help you remain composed in emergencies. Decision-making under pressure can be difficult, so rehearse what-if scenarios to develop your quick thinking skills. Adaptability is your best asset. Familiarize yourself with your city's layout, especially alternative routes for evacuation if main roads are blocked. Keep situational awareness high. Be aware of your surroundings and watch for unusual behavior or potential threats. Prepare for severe weather by storing extra clothing, blankets, and a backup power source. Know where local shelters are located in case you need to seek refuge. Access to clean water can be a challenge in emergencies. Learn basic filtration methods using household items, and store bottled water if possible. Stock up on non-perishable foods like canned goods, dried fruit, and energy bars. For longer-term planning, urban gardening can be a sustainable food source. Your community can be a powerful resource. Connect with neighbors and local groups that share an interest in preparedness. Communication is key in an emergency. Have a plan for staying in touch with loved ones and a list of reliable contacts who can provide assistance. Equip yourself with a reliable urban survival kit. Include items like a multi-tool, portable phone charger, flashlight, whistle, and a compact first aid kit. Don't forget a physical map of the city, in case digital devices fail. A hand crank radio can also keep you informed when power and internet access are down. We've covered practical urban survival skills, from staying fit and mentally resilient to managing resources and building a support network. Remember, the best time to prepare is now, not when an emergency is already unfolding. Take action today. Start assembling your urban survival kit, practice your emergency plans, and connect with others who are interested in preparedness. With these steps, you can boost your readiness and protect yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe and be prepared.